Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? How are you feeling today, Gigi? Okay. Are you up to something really cool to create the slime robot? Alright, let's create it. Ugh.
Wow!
We have the head, we have the ears, and now we're working on the robot's eyes. Alright. One and two. Let's place the eyes in here. One and two. We need two other tiny balls in here. One and two. One and two. And now we need a nose. Maybe a smaller one, because we need some room for the mouth as well. Alright, definitely smaller. And now we need the mouth for the robot. And now we need to work on its body. Alright, let's make the neck. We need a button on the neck. All right. Such a colorful robot. All right, and we definitely need some buttons on its belly. This robot needs plenty of buttons.
Wow!
Okay, now the robot's hands, and I'm going to use pink. Okay, and now some buttons in here on its hands. Maybe one in here and one in here. And now the legs. The slime robot. Yay! One leg. Now the other leg. And some buttons on the legs. 1, 2. We also need some antennas.
Wow!
1, 2. Something is missing, and I know what. Let's see. Nice! We have a slime robot! Yay! Wow! I just made a slime robot, Gigi! Oh, it looks amazing and the color's beautiful!